Hello, this is Rachel Geyer, and I'd like to share with you how to create a light sensory bottle. It's a toy that you can make with your child, for your child, and I'm pretty sure that you'll enjoy it too. So the materials that you'll need for this activity include a translucent or transparent container, such as a bottle or a jar, and it should have a lid or a top. I recommend using a sturdy bottle, especially if your child likes to put everything in their mouth at the moment. Plastic juice bottles are wonderful and usually made with a bit thicker plastic. So I would look for something a bit stronger than your usual thin plastic water bottle. You will also need LED string lights, which if you have a Regio at Home box, you should have some inside. Or perhaps if you're celebrating the holidays, you already have some string lights you can use. And then an optional material is to use small or translucent materials that will fit inside of your bottle. So clear materials or colorful materials that let the light shine through. So in these photos you can see I have a blue or turquoise colored clear gem for arts and crafts in my container. And I also have on the right a clear sensory packet that has some very jelly-like green beads that are very squishy. So you can make your light sensory bottle as simple or complex as you'd like. So this is how it looks with just a simple jar and some string LED lights inside. And I also set it up with a sheet of mirror paper underneath and some additional LED lights around it to create an inviting space. And then on the right side, you can see that there are ways to experiment with your light sensory bottle by putting things around and on top of it, such as the mirrors or a scarf. And it gives it a very magical effect. So it's a wonderful thing to be intentional and thoughtful, and for you to have fun setting up a provocation for your child. And when we talk about provocations, we're talking about something that's a bit more than an activity, but providing materials for your child in a thoughtful way that encourages them to explore, experiment, and learn through hands-on experiences. So for example, your child might be a little bit more drawn in by the object if you arrange mirrors or other materials that reflect or let light shine through. Well, thank you very much for joining me. I'm looking forward to showing you more light and shadow activities next time.